Sometimes our skin is so sensitive that it stings, feels irritated, and maybe even itchy. We call this sensitized skin, and it can happen to anyone. Our skin may be sensitized by the environment around us or feel sensitive and delicate from recent resurfacing treatments. You may even suffer with eczema or dermatitis. Our barrier needs protecting, and this is what the barrier repair will do. The barrier repair is a waterless, velvety moisturiser that will melt gently into your sensitive skin and contains a unique ultra-calming complex of oat kernel, ginger and red hogweed extract to target existing inflammation and future inflammation. To complement this complex, ingredients like oil of evening primrose and borage seed have been used to reinforce the skin's barrier, plus vitamin C and E combat free radical damage and stimulate collagen formation by enriched oat extract with natural antioxidants and fatty acids. And this reduces irritation and reinforces the barrier. This creates a shield to help prevent further damage from the harsh environment and provides a smooth, even base, ideal for preparation even before your makeup application. To use the barrier repair, you will firstly cleanse your skin with the Ultra Calming Cleanser. Apply the barrier repair to your face or the specific areas that need protecting and repairing. During the day, ensure you are using your sunscreen to protect against the damaging UV rays. For a sensitive skin, we recommend the Invisible Physical Defense SPF 30. If you would like any more information on the barrier repair or advice and guidance about your skin, please visit our website and click on Advice.